Good morning, students. Myself Sapna Gautam, science teacher, Sarvitकारी Vidya Mandir Fazilka. So, students, in previous videos we have studied about chapter 12 friction, and almost all topics that related to that chapter friction I have cleared to you. And today we will discuss about new chapter 13 sound, and we will study what is sound, how sound is produced, and properties of sound in today's video. Students, what is sound? What is sound? So sound, everything produce sound. Every musical instruments, we can say musical instruments produce sound. Every musical instrument produce sound, and there are different parts of musical instruments that they produce sound. But first of all, the question is this: what is sound? Sound क्या होती है? So sound is a kind of energy, we can say, kind of energy that produced by sensation of hearing, by sensation of hearing. So sound is produced. Sound is a kind of energy that produced by sensation of hearing. Means to say कि when sound, first of all I will tell you that sound needs a medium. Sound needs a medium. Sound needs a medium to produce. If we talk about light, then light is also a form of energy, but it does not need a medium. But sound needs a medium. If there is medium, then sound is produced. If we talk about any medium, air, water, then we can say when we strike, if we talk about water, then when there is river or pond, and when we put stone or ball into the water, then there is makes ripples. Then there is makes ripples, because when we throw the stone into the water, then it may disturb this medium. It may disturb the particles of medium. Medium क्या है? Water. When we throw the stone into the water, then it can disturb the particles of medium, and then ripples are, ये लहरें, waves बन जाती हैं, ripples are produced in the water, and when these ripples are produced, so there is some sound also produced. So we can say that air, water, if there is a medium, air or water, then sound produced. और किसी भी चीज़ में अगर साउंड तभी प्रोड्यूस होगी if there is medium is present, और if there is no medium present, then sound is not produced. Sound is not produced. So let's take one example of this, like if we hang if we hang a shallow pan like fry pan, and if we hang shallow pan, then if we strike by it a stick, then we will see that there is some vibration, that is some sound produced due to the vibration. साउंड कैसे प्रोड्यूस होती है? जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को किसी सरफेस के साथ स्ट्राइक करते हैं, जैसे अगर हम घटक की बात करते हैं या किसी भी सरफेस की बात करते हैं, अगर हम उस पर स्ट्राइक करते हैं तो देन वाइब्रेशन अकर्स एंड साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. और किसी भी मीडियम में अगर साउंड तभी प्रोड्यूस होगी अगर वहाँ पर मीडियम प्रेजेंट है, और जब हम उसे स्ट्राइक करते हैं किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट से, देन वाइब्रेशन टेक प्लेस एंड साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड. इफ वी टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ some glasses and fill it with water, and these glasses are filled with water, and if we strike these glasses surface with a stick, अगर हम इनके सरफेस पर स्टिक से स्ट्राइक करते हैं लाइक दिस, देन वी कैन सी सम वाइब्रेशन टेक प्लेस इन द वाटर ऑल्सो एंड साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. वाइब्रेशन टेक प्लेस एंड साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. Okay, so sound needs a medium to produce. If there is no medium, then no sound is produced. And if we talk about some activities, like if we strike the glass's surface by stick, then we will see there is some vibration take place and sound is produced. So students, sound is produced by the sensation of hearing. And if we talk about veena, tabla and flute, they also produce sound. But how? Veena में स्ट्रेस्ड वायर जो होती हैं वो प्रोड्यूस करती हैं साउंड. जो तबला है, तबले में स्ट्रेच्ड मेम्ब्रेन या ढोलक जब हम बजाते हैं तो उसमें भी मेम्ब्रेन जो स्ट्रेच होती है उसी में से वाइब्रेशन होके आवाज़ प्रोड्यूस होती है. और फ्लूट में एयर कॉलम्स होते हैं, जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो वीणा में स्ट्रेच्ड स्ट्रिंग एंड तबला स्ट्रेच्ड मेम्ब्रेन एंड फ्लूट में एयर कॉलम से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इससे वाइब्रेशन होती है एंड साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. दीज आर द पार्ट्स in veena, tabla, flute, and in the case of ghatak, there is stretched membrane also produce sound. Okay, dholak, stretched membrane produce sound, and sitar, veena, stretched string produce sound. Or if we take an example of activity, then if we take a rubber band, if we take a rubber band Then if we stretch this rubber band, then we will see then there is some vibration. There is some vibration take place, and sound is produced. Sound is produced. Okay. So students, these are the introductory topics we have discussed in today's video of sound chapter, and I will send you test of chapter 11 by tomorrow, Thursday, 2:30 p.m. subjective test, and you have to do this test, and now prepare yourself. Prepare chapter 11, force and pressure, question answers, textual and extra both. Thanks. Have a nice day.